suppose there is a graph of function. Okay. Suppose there is a function which is defined this way. Okay. Now, when we plot this function is this way. Okay. Then there will be, suppose this function is defined in certain domain. Okay. In this domain means the point in which it is defined. Okay. Suppose this is A, this is B. Okay. Then the point, suppose at point C, this is the value of the function. So this point is called maxima, or maximum value of the function is at this point. So this value of function, basically f of c, is maxima and c is point of maxima. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, so we say that f is said to have maximum value if there exists a point C in its domain such that f of C is greater than fx, where x belongs to the domain. Okay. If f of C is greater than f of x, where f of C is greater for all values of x, then it is called maximum value. Okay. Similarly, f is said to have minimum value when there is some value f of c which is less than f of x for all values of x belonging to a to b. Instead of I can write a to b also. Like if it is defined in this interval, open interval a to b, we can write this way, a b or I, same thing. Okay. So now let us take example 26. Okay. Find the maximum and minimum values if any of the function fx equals to x square given such that x belongs to real number. Fx equals to x square. So when we plot this fx equals to x square, it will be this way. Okay. When x is 0, fx is 0. When x is 1, it is 1. When x is 2, it is 4. And similarly for minus 1 also it is this. For minus 2, it is again 4. Okay. And similarly for other values also. Okay. It will always be positive. The function fx, this is fx, this is y-axis. It will always be positive. Okay. Now we have to find here the maximum and minimum values of the function where x belongs to R. Okay. So from the graph we can see that minimum value of function f is 0 only. Okay. So minimum value of f is 0. Okay. What about maximum value? We don't know actually that what will be the maximum value, because it can extend up to infinity and similarly fx will also go up to infinity. So hence it has no maximum value. Okay. Of f in R. Okay. Now, is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now suppose we restrict the domain. Abhi to domain means what all values x can take. Okay. Till now, before it was x belongs to real number. मतलब x minus infinity से plus infinity तक vary करेगा. Okay. Now if we restrict the domain, okay, we are taking one case of this actually. Okay. We are restricting the domain from minus 2 in closed interval minus 2 to 1. That means values will vary from minus 2 to 1. Closed interval means it will take minus 2 value also and 1 also. Now f of minus 2, this will be equal to x square, so it will be 4. So now maximum value will exist and maximum value will be 4. And minimum value will be 0 because 0 is part of it. -2 to 1 का मतलब है कि ये -2 से 1 तक सारी रियल वैल्यूज पे वेरी करेगा x. Okay, including -2 and 1. Okay, so maximum value of function will be 4 if we take this domain. And what will be the value of x at that time? At x equals to -2. Is this clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Next example 27. Find the minimum and the maximum values of function f, if any, for function fx equals to mod of x, where x belongs to real number. Okay. Now fx is mod of x. Okay. This graph, when we plot, basically fx equals to minus x if x is less than 0, and it is equal to plus x if x is greater than 0. तो fx equals to x का ग्राफ ऐसा होता है. fx equals to minus x, its graph will be this way. Okay, so it is 0, this is y, this is x, and all values 1, 2, 3 this way. It will vary. -1, -2, -3. Okay, now here also we have to find the minimum value and maximum value. Okay, so minimum value of function fx, ये fx है, so minimum value is at this point. Okay, so this is the minimum value. So f has minimum value 0. Okay, and maximum value, obviously here also f has no maximum value in R, because it will, x will extend up to minus infinity and this plus infinity, so fx will vary accordingly. So we'll write no maximum value in R. Okay, here also they have taken one case. Suppose we restrict the domain. Okay, one case is given. Suppose we restrict the domain from -2 to 1 only. Okay, now if we restrict the domain from -2 to 1, okay, that means x will vary from -2 to 1, taking all the real values between them. So f of -2, mod of -2 will be equal to 2. Okay, so this will be the maximum value. So maximum value in this case will be, minimum value will be equal to 2 at x equals to -2. Okay, and minimum value is same at x equals to 0 only. Okay, now find the maximum and minimum values, if any, of function given by fx equals to x, where x belongs to open interval 0 to 1. Okay, now when we are given this function fx equals to x from 0 to 1, okay, so basically, but 0 and 1 are not included, मतलब so 0 point है, that is also not included. Suppose 1 is this point, this is also not included. Okay, before and between them the graph is this way. Okay, now we are asked to find the maximum and the minimum value. Okay, now in this case the function will have neither maximum value nor minimum value in interval 0, 1. Okay, function will not have either maximum value nor minimum value. Okay. In interval, when it is open interval, actually we know this, that minimum value is immediately 0, तो उसका part ही नहीं है domain का. Okay, because it is this open interval. तो 0 के just बाद इसकी minimum value होगी और 1 से just पहले इसकी minimum value होगी, but we don't know that point. Okay, are you getting what I am saying?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so in this case we'll write that the function will not have either minimum value nor, or will not have either minimum nor maximum value in this interval. If question would be this, okay, suppose we have to find the minimum and maximum value in this interval, then what would be the answer?
Minimum 0 and 1.
So f has minimum at x equals to 0, okay, and maximum value, and has maximum
At
value
1.
at x equals to 1, okay, and as the function is x only, so it will be value, minimum value will be equal to 0 only and minimum value will be 1 only. Okay, now actually a function can have any type of the waveform, okay, or suppose we plot a function this way, okay, so there can be multiple maximum values and multiple minimum values, okay, like here could be maximum value. If I restrict my domain to this much only, then this will be the maximum value. If we restrict our domain to this much, this will be the maximum value. If we restrict our domain to this much, it will be the maximum value. Okay, so in this case we say this, instead of saying maximum and minimum, we say them this local maximum and local minimum instead of maximum and minimum. Okay, local maximum and local minimum means in particular domain this is the maximum value, in particular domain this is the minimum value. Okay, now there is one more term, absolute maximum and absolute minimum. So from all the local maximum values, the value which is maximum for the entire function, that is absolute maximum, and the value which is minimum for the entire function, that is absolute minimum. Is it clear what I am saying?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now how to find local maximum and local minimum value? Okay, so now let us see. Suppose there is a function this way, okay, now if we find slope of this, okay, अगर कोई भी फंक्शन है किसी लाइन का, ओके, बेसिकली ऐसी लाइन है तो इसका स्लोप पॉजिटिव होगा because this is angle theta. If theta is acute, tan theta will be positive. Okay, if slope of this part I am seeing, okay, slope of this will be negative because theta with positive x-axis, अब ये angle ऐसा है, it is more than 90, tan of 90 plus theta, this will be negative. Okay, so slope here is f dash x is greater than 0, slope here f dash x is less than 0, and this is the point or critical point f dash c equals to, and at this point the slope will be 0. Okay, so when we approach this way, if slope of graph changes or sign of f dash x changes from positive to negative, then we say that at that point, at that extreme point, it is maximum value of the function or maxima. Okay, now suppose there is a function, this way. Okay. Here if we see, the slope of the graph will be negative, so f dash x is less than 0. If we see here, the slope of graph will be positive, f dash x will be greater than 0. Okay, so and this is the critical point or extreme point, f dash x here at this point. इस point पे क्या होगा, अगर हम tangent बनाएंगे तो it will be parallel to x axis, so slope will be 0. Okay, so when slope of graph changes from negative to positive at certain value, then we say that at that particular value c, the function f dash c equals to 0. Suppose then at c the minima or minimum value is there. Are you getting this? two tests, okay, here to determine the maximum and minimum values. Okay, so first is first derivative test and next is second derivative test. So first we are going to discuss first derivative test. Okay, for doing first derivative test, the first step is whatever function will be given, we'll differentiate it. We'll find f dash x. Okay, after finding f dash x, we'll put f dash x equals to 0. जो differentiate करने के बाद जो भी term आएगा उसको 0 put कर देंगे. Okay, after putting it equal to 0, we'll solve that equation and we'll find the values of x. This values of x will be the points actually that will divide the number line into different disjoint intervals. Okay, now we'll observe the sign. Next, seeing the sign at on the left side and right side of each critical point. These points we can say them as critical points, and observing the values of f dash x just before and just after the critical point. If the sign is changing from positive to negative, that means sign of f dash x is changing from positive to negative, that means local maxima has occurred. If it is from negative to positive, that means local minima has occurred. Okay, and if f dash x does not change the sign, then that is a point of neither a point of local maxima nor a point of local minima. Okay, so this will be first derivative test, will be more clear if we'll take one example. So let us do an example by first derivative test. Example 29. Okay, find all the points of local maxima and local minima of the function given by fx equals to x cube minus 3x plus 3. Okay, so we have to find all the points of local maxima and local minima of this function. Okay, before actually suppose कोई simple function है तो हम उसको सिर्फ उस function को plot कर सकते हैं, but when it is this way it's not easy to plot. So we have to use certain tests to determine the maxima and minima. So we'll first of all find f dash x. F dash x equals to 3x square minus 3. Putting f dash x equals to 0, that is equal to 3x square minus 3 equals to 0. 3 into x square minus 1 equals to 0. X equals to plus and minus 1. Okay, now we'll locate these points on the number line. This is minus infinity, this is minus 1, this is plus 1, this is plus infinity. Are you getting till here?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now what we'll do, between minus infinity and minus 1, we'll observe the sign of f dash x. Okay, so f dash x between minus infinity and minus 1. Okay, कोई भी एक point ले लो, suppose I have taken minus 2. So minus 2 when I'll substitute here. Okay, 3 into minus 2 square, it will be something number greater than minus 3. So sign will be positive.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, when between minus 1 and plus 1, we'll again observe the sign of f dash x. Minus 1 and plus 1, suppose 0 I am taking. If I put 0 here, so this is negative. 0 into 3, 0 minus 3, so it is negative. Okay, then
Yes, ma'am.
between 1 to infinity, again observing the sign f dash x. Suppose 2, positive 2 I am putting, again it will be positive. Okay, so at x equals to minus 1, at critical point x equals to minus 1, sign of f dash x is changing from positive to negative. So this is a point of local maximum. Okay, We have to
Yes.
only find the point of local maxima. We don't have to find the value. Maximum value of function find करना है, सिर्फ point find करना है. So this way we'll write. Yes, anybody asking anything?
No, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, but when we equate it with 0, ma'am, we are getting 0 only.
Let me see. Sign of f dash x is changing from negative to positive. So this is a point of local minimum. Okay. Find all the points of local maxima and local minima of the function given by fx equals to 2x square minus, sorry, 2x cube minus 6x square plus 6x plus 5. So first step we are doing by first derivative test only. So first we are differentiating it. 6x square minus 12x plus 6. Okay. Now f dash x equals to 0 when we'll substitute. 6x square minus 12x plus 6 equals to 0. If I take 6 common, it is x square minus 2x plus 1 equals to 0. Or 6 into x minus 1 the whole square equals to 0. Okay. So x is equal to 1. Okay. Now, is it clear till here?
Yes, ma'am.
X equals to 1. So basically it is minus infinity, 1, infinity. Okay. If we locate any point between minus infinity and 1 and check f dash x. So f dash x between minus infinity and 1. Suppose 0 I am choosing. Minus infinity से 1 के बीच में एक 0 choose किया है. So if I substitute 0 here in f dash x, okay, I am getting f dash x is as positive. Now, again f dash x between 1 and infinity. Suppose I am choosing 2. Okay. So 6 into 4, 24. 12 into 2, 24. This both cancelling and again positive. Okay. So there is no change in sign. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
This is clear. When this condition arises that at any critical point there is no change in sign on the left of it and on right of it, then this is said to be point of, this is x equals to 1 is point of inflection. Okay, that is neither a point of local maxima nor a point of local minima. Find local minimum value of the function fx equals to 3 plus mod of x, x belongs to R. Okay, x belongs to real number. So first of all, we'll write the function again, that is equal to 3 minus x, when x is less than 0. Okay, and 3 plus x if x is greater than or equal to 0. Okay, now when we find f dash x, it will be differentiation of this. Okay, when we differentiate this, differentiation of x is, this will be minus 1, this will be plus 1, x less than 0, x greater than 0. Okay, so f dash x is less than 0 before 0 basically. Okay, and f dash x is greater than 0 after 0. Okay, before 0 and after 0. Okay, so the slope is changing, slope of graph is changing from negative to positive at x equals to 0. Okay, so x equals to 0 is actually the critical point. and it is 3, where local minima occurs. And what will be the value of function? Actually, here you have to find the local minimum value. So f of 0, when we'll find, it will be equal to 3. So minimum value is 3. Okay. And the point is x equals to 0, and it is minima